If you need dope hoodies, Broken Planet are the ones to go to. Are you dumb? Look at this hoodie. Look at this hoodie.
Good morning. So today is a very exciting day in our office. Stock is finally arriving. We had some issues. It was stuck at the customs, but now it's almost here. Not all of it, but a huge part of it. This is all gonna be filled with clothing. Stock is coming. What's happening?
So you couldn't bring all of the pallets here.
Louder, say it louder.
So he couldn't bring all of the pallets.
He couldn't bring them because there's so much, because you guys love it so much.
Yes!
You guys love it so
That's the
much.
marketing we need. Oh, would you look at this? She's working. She knows what she's doing. Is this a safety hazard?
So I'm thinking.
Lucas is practicing new skills. New skill. Oh. Come on, Lucas. So this is what we have so far. The guy is gonna come back in a couple hours with more quality control. Look who it is. Oh, look, a familiar face. Full house in the office.
The journey.
Quality control time. Checking everything.
Checky.
Everything has to be great. Anna is hungry.
Yeah.
She's waiting.
At that point in the day, guys.
Yeah, you know she's.
If anyone else was watching the England game last night.
Yeah, the England game. So we're all just a bit tired.
Yeah.
Ramel can't even speak properly because of yesterday's game.
My vocal cords were just gone. I still can't.
Yeah.
You know, usually about the afternoon, you feel like you could go for a nap.
Yeah. No. Well, you're not going to get a nap. Oh, just make sure you don't stain these. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good night. Good night. Yeah. Okay. So our food came, and would you look at this? They spilled it. Well, there's nothing that we can't do, so we're just making it work. Okay. So it's gonna be like, you know, when stock arrives and it's like a lot of different people and everyone's just gonna have their little part like stressing it. What are we doing?
What's the procedure?
What's the procedure? Alright,
Okay.
or maybe I could just film you like this and you're like, what's the procedure? And you just open
What's the
it.
procedure?
Open. I think this was good.
It should be crazy. I think maybe do it from the side.
Yeah,
And then
from
like,
this
like
side or?
Yeah, and it needs to be like toppling over you and stuff like that. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's
Get into it as well.
one.
I feel like it was good, but I feel like you need to look and be a bit closer.
Okay, okay.
Everyone, down!
I hit her. How are we doing, guys? We have more sweatpants. Yes, we do. Almost 7 o'clock. We're almost finished for today. Good morning. It's day 2 of unpacking all of these boxes. So today we have one more person coming to help us unpack. So right now I'm gonna go adjust that table and bring it here so it's like a one huge packing station. Panda found the boxes. Now there's gonna be Panda in the box. There's no way you can fit in that. There's no magic in the world that could make that happen. You don't have the hips for that.
Oh, dude, this one I need a bigger one. Oh, right. It's not working, though. Need a bigger one.
We need a bigger box. Let's go make some TikToks.
Yeah. I got a wife and she wear my better. Don't ask me no questions, I swear that I'm better than all of my niggas is juking the beat with the best we just made, and I promise we made it clear. Black boy white outside like rockets, white boy black outside like air. Freddie and Jason or Huey and restock. Damn, I cannot relax. I'm keeping the choppers rolling.
Lunch break. Panda, working hard? Yes. No, don't do anything stupid.
You have your insurance.
Are you insured, first of all? No, don't do it. I'm gonna let him do it, because look at this. Do you not value your life? Look at this. What are you trying to do? We're ready. Ramel, please.
Hello?
That's not helpful, by the way. No! Go away.
No.
You're not allowed to do that. Please rethink your choices. Wait, come on, shush. We need these for shipping. Go away. Hold you.
Okay, you had your time to play. Now we go back to packing.
Not allowed to have that now. Shush. Bye.
I got a wife and she wear my letter. Don't ask me no questions, I swear that I'm better than all of my
Wait, what? Is it filming? What's the camera on? Where? Oh, no, it's not recording again.
It's like, you know, it's like secret camera.
Was it recorded?
I hope so.
She wear my letter. Don't ask me no questions, I swear that I'm better than all of my niggas is juking.
Ramel is just, he's just winding.
I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. That's perfect.
You have to be bigger, so like,
Yeah, you should be studying like
you're,
here or something.
That's perfect, no?
okay, so we're gonna make a runway from the boxes and then do a fashion show. James is like done with us.
No one's
I'll help you at night. So our runway is ready. Ramel, show us how it's done. Wow. Now it's your turn. I'm pretty sure our customers did not expect this to be in them. Oh yeah, clap. Wait. No, 1 second. Come back, you're blurry. Hey. How is work? After party?
Oh yeah. You wanna try to do that?
Just go like that.
I was just trying it back.
Yeah. It doesn't have to be perfect. Look at that.
On top. Panda. Nice.
Okay, like this.
Buy this now.
Go on.
Buy
Look
it
at it.
now.
It's so cool.
You're standing in front of a window, so you're like, you just feel like a shadow. Wait.
I said make sure you like, comment and subscribe and press the notification bell.
Okay, I think we're done for today. Ramanta is half alive. Still in good mood. See you. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday. I'm about to head to the office. My friend is staying over and helping us pack, so the closet room is kind of her room right now. But yeah, this morning Ramel told us that he's not feeling well, so he's not going to be able to come in to help us today. So Panda is coming back. I'm now off to the office, so there's going to be a super busy day. More stock is coming and we need to finally start shipping. I feel like the boxes are just never ending, but we gotta sort it out. So I'm about to head to the office. Everyone's in the office already. Oh! Okay, so this is an update on the stock. It's happening. There's more boxes coming today, but to be quite honest, it's harder than it looks. You have to be so careful. You have to investigate every single item. And that's why we can't just fold it and put it into the shelves. It goes under a very strict procedure. And we have more stock coming our way. Working on a new drop because we have to order samples ASAP. Okay, so the shelves are full. To be honest, we need more shelves. The rest of the stock, we can't even fit it in shelves anymore, so we're probably gonna be ordering more. Just place them there. I don't know, we're gonna have to make it work somehow. Creating more content? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Okay. We have an issue. So accidentally the zip ups, the green zip ups, they have green writing on the arm. It was supposed to be white. Now it's green. So right now Lucas is writing an email to the customers and asking if it's okay with them, if we can ship it like it is, or do they want refunds. And it's really frustrating because this was actually our best seller product and every single item is considered faulty, but it's not faulty because in my opinion it looks even better. We took some photos on the models and we're just gonna send and see what people say. Hopefully they're still gonna want it, but yeah, it should be fine. Like, it looks amazing. We're gonna make this work. There's no, you know, you just gotta make it work. You don't have any other options. We have the first reply. Not a problem, looks great. Yes, that's the energy we're going for. My personal barista making coffee. Yes, thank you so much. It looks amazing. Oh, look what I have. I have food. Rimsha, show me your new shirt. Well, would you look at this beautiful shirt. And it's the end of the day. It's currently almost 9. Today has been long. So Rim shortly started packing up the orders and all that. Yeah, we're gonna have to bring some to the post thingy now. But yeah, it's been long. That's why I didn't vlog that much because today was just long. Okay guys, it's Friday. We're back to packing. One more person is coming to help us today, but we just received another package. I'm confused because we already got the book. I don't know if I vlogged it, but we got a book. What is this now? What is? Lucas, do you have fans? I'm sorry.
Why are you? It's been worn. Like somebody.
It's been washed.
Guys, please stop soundstick. What?
This is creepy.
Look who's helping us today. Hello, hello. Saving the day. He's gonna help us unbox a couple of boxes. Probably more if they manage to come. And then he's gonna go and build racks over there. So he's gonna be the hero of the day. Okay, so Ermante is now giving training because she actually built all of these, so she's experienced, but we need her to pack orders.
Master of the racks.
Master of the racks. Yeah. Show him how it's done. We were about to eat. And now Royal Mail pulled up and they want to collect the parcel. So now we're gonna have to, the food is gonna have to wait. Okay, we got more stock up here without
Getting ready for the TikTok. Fits are on.
A what?
Oh, it's look it.
I might need. Okay. Oh, the things you do. Wait 1 second. I need to.
Yeah, step on the other
Yeah,
one.
I'm trying.
Nice.
I'm here. Okay, so do you need to be
Look at that.
here? Wait, how does it work?
Should we move the chair a little bit so it's... With the timer, yeah?
Yeah, time.
Okay, so it's not every timer, but let's say 1.
Turn.
You can practice it. Wait,
I'm gonna go.
Dancing lessons.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I'll wait. So
Yeah.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
I'm a bad dancer, but yeah, let's do
the
it.
countdown, sir.
Okay, look at that. Look at all of this. Turn, turn, turn. Amazing. Amazing. He's feeling it. Look at that. Your work. This is all you.
It's all me. All me. Let's go. 2 more to go.
Okay, cool.
You cut the first one there.
He owns this dress
Look at those shades, man. Where did you get them? Like?
Hey, listen. They hooked me up. And the next one.
What are you laughing about, huh?
2, 1. So he's now a director of TikToks.
You're going to be sad, crying and whatnot. You're going to come over and listen to the sound.
Look at the fits. Oh,
Okay, fine. You got it. Okay. No. Yeah.
that would be great, yeah. Unless, yeah.
Now, when you do it, you'd rather than that, zoom in just slightly. Okay. Don't do the timer. Just instantly zoom in.
2, 1.
He just literally made moved all of my shit and turned it into his Instagram post. Not gonna lie, this is a whole vibe.
Going to make some more content. Nice Friday evening. Hey.
Okay, I think we're done for today, right? So today Lucas is submitting designs for a new drop. And we have a deadline, but yeah, pretty exciting. Oh, here we go, here we go. He's waiting for our sunglasses.
I am. They are needed in my possession.
Yo. Wait, let me text. Say hi to the vlog.
It was the right way. I'm walking the right way. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog. Hello.
So, what are we doing right now?
Like 20 boxes to ship today to Europe. Each box has around 30 parcels.
Okay. And what are you doing?
So I'm preparing orders to go to United States.
Okay. Yeah, we have different methods of shipping orders to different countries. So, okay, we're now off to drop off one of the boxes for UK orders. Here we go. Okay, that's gonna be it for this week's vlog. Time for us to go chill. It's 8 o'clock right now. Next week, I'm gonna show you the whole packing process. This week was more about the stock. But yeah, say bye to the vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Bye.